Hi, Ali. It's Vincent here. Haven't seen you for quite a long time. How are you? Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you, my friend, and wish your life full of smile and sunshine.
For you. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yes.
Hi, Lynn. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Elin! Ayun, birthday pala. Hindi nag-i-invite. Sana sa birthday mo hindi maulan. Sana walang bagyo. Okay? And then sana may boyfriend ka na. Joke lang. Sana chubby ka na. Yun lang. Para kang si Christian na chubby na. Parang namang si Jake na slim. Slim na si Jake, no? So, nami-miss ko na kayong tatlo. Pakilala mo naman ako sa boyfriend mo kung meron na, ha? So, ikaw pa naman yung napaka-tahimik na tao sa my phone. So, sana pagka nakita tayo ay matikman nyo yung ating Kanto Burger kasi isa ka sa mga salarin tsaka si Christian, no? For sure ako si Jake magugustuhan yun kasi mahilig kumain yun eh. Ayun, so happy birthday sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Alam ko mabait ka na, magpakabait ka pa. Yan lang. So ingat ka, miss ko na kayo. And then sana bago matapos yung taon magkita-kita tayo. Okay? So happy birthday ulit. Pasensya na, nagta-drive black ako. So yun, ingat and then God bless. God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Eileen! Ang wish ko sa birthday mo is continuous blessings. Sana parati kang masaya and stay healthy. Sana tumangga ka na. Joke lang. Yun nga, sana ma-achieve mo yung goals mo or sana mapalapit ka dun sa goals mo. Yan lang. Happy birthday to you! Fireworks! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Brad. Tanda mo na. Grabe ka. Wala naman ako masabi sa'yo kasi alam ko naman mabait ka. Basa mo lang yung magiging ano mo, emotional mo. Tsaka, ano ba? Para showbiz tayo. Wish you good health, more blessings, tsaka more success in life. Thanks! Basta continue kung ano yung nakapagpasaya sa'yo. Yes. Enjoy life. Yun lang. Sige na, baka mahuli pa ako. Nag-drive ako eh. Happy birthday dude, kita-kitsa lang pag may time. Pasyal ako dyan ulit. Okay, bye-bye.
Hi, my loves. Happy birthday. Love you. Ay, naku. Happy birthday. Hindi namin ito ginagawa, pero para sa'yo. Love you. Hi, Eileen. Niregaluhan na lang kita ng lipstick yung MAC, ha? Yung red. Ako na lang labi niya kasi nakamak siya. Love you, Eileen.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! We love you! Chup-chup, mama. Mabu.
Yan. Hello, friend. Hello, pre. Papatak sa'yo. Look. Tada! Cute-cute mo dyan. Oh. Work it like Mali. Ten, 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 ten. Yeah. Work it like Mali. Ten, 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 ten. Oh, ayan. Happy birthday. We love you. Enjoy your day. And sana maging masaya ka talaga. Ito lang, Ash. Yun lang. Mwah, 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 mwah. Okay? Bye!
Ay, hindi ko alam kung ba't ko ito ginagawa. Pero sabi, kailangan ko daw gawin, kaya happy birthday. So, ayun, kailangan ko pang habaan yung video, kaya... Pero, seryoso na. Happy birthday! Alam mo na yung tama at mali, di ba? Lahat ng pinagdaanan namin, ang naalala ko lang, mahilig siya mag-walk out. Pero hindi namin hinahabol. Tapos, sobrang strict ng parents niyan. 14 yan sa amin eh. Yan ang pinaka-baby. Tsaka tinuturuan namin yan sa lahat. Tapos, kung alam mo yung slow, siya yun. Tsaka yung magulo, siya yun. Pero, sobrang bait naman. Kaya lang, ang bilis maniwala, kaya naloloko ng kung sino-sino. Yan, expose na ako ha. Pero para sa'yo, happy birthday, love you.
Hi Lynn, happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your day. We're always here for you. We love you and I miss you. Tan mo na. You can't count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. That's what friends are supposed to be, oh yeah. Ooh, 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 yeah, yeah. You always have my shoulder when you cry. Never let go, never say goodbye. You can't count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. And that's what friends are supposed to be, oh yeah. Love you!
Hi, happy birthday. I wish you good luck in life, especially in your career. And yun na, ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yan, Lynn, happy birthday, stay in good health, feel sexy.
Hi, Lee. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your special day, and I wish you all the best. Cheers.
Happy birthday. Ito na naman tong surprise na to. Wala ka na namang alam. Ako na naman kinontak nila. Hindi. Salamat sa lahat. Lagi na lang ikaw yung sumasalo ng mga problema ko na hindi lang sa financial, sa mga basta. Ikaw lang na-sharean ko sa mga ganyan. Kasi mas mayaman ka na kay mama ngayon. Yun, salamat nga pala sa pag-intindi bilang ate talaga. Lagi mong nagagampanan yun. Thank you sa lahat ng mga kaibigan niya na lagi sinusurprise siya. Hanggang 70th birthday, surprise niyo pa rin yung ate ko. Siya ang the best na ate. Mahal na mahal ko. Happy birthday, Lily. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lily. Wishing you the best of everything. At maraming salamat sa sweldo mo na ibinibigay mo sa amin. Sana dagdagan ng joke lang. At salamat din sa mga friends niya na nag-conduct itong interview sa akin sa aking party. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga kasamahan din ni Eileen. Thank you. Happy birthday, Eileen. Love you.
Happy birthday. Sana lagi mo mag-ingat sa pagpasok mo at pag-work. Tapos, agaan mo pag-uwi, huwag mo masyadong gabi. Tsaka, hindi na ako makatalbos sa'yo. Wala na. Sige, happy birthday na lang.